Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 74 model fountain pen, and this pen has a silver trim portion. Here there is a silver clip and a silver ring on the cap, and it is a orange color marble finished one. And here it has a breather hole here, and it prevents the ink from clogging, and it maintains atmospheric pressure so that it does not leak or rub ink through the nibs. And this is a thread type opening mechanism, and it's a semi-hooded nib, and the nib size is number 0. You can swap the nib as you like, since we have number 0 nibs in many brands. For that you can go to our site and check. Then you can click pens pairs in our site and go to the nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you are required. And here there is a thread type mechanism. You can apply a silicone grease or Vaseline every time when you open and close the grip area during the ink fill. This will increase the life of your threads. And whenever you fill the ink, please fill below the inner threads on the barrel. If you fill excess, leakage path will be created and you will spoil your hands. And important thing in maintaining a fountain pen, especially the eyedroppers, is please wash your pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so it blocks the ink passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing. So, and slowly then ink will dry quickly, then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow like this, so you might experience this. And this is a reason because there is a blockage in the feeders grow. So the better thing is you have to wash the pen with running tap water, or else you can soak this in soap water for at least 1 hour. Then you can wash the feeder portion with any brushes you have, and or you can use toothbrushes also. And let me give a writing sample of this. And for today's writing, I'm going to use our emerald green color ink. I am dipping and drying the excess. Yeah, the writing is so smooth. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.